Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to share with you a productive day in our lives. If you're new here, my name is Shannon, and I would love if you wanted to subscribe to my channel for some simple living inspiration. I decided to start by cleaning up the kitchen and the living room, the dining room, because I find if I leave these areas messy, it really slows down my productivity. I'm using my Grove Collaborative Concentrate Countertop Spray, and I really love these natural cleaners. I have a link below that you can use, and you will get a 5-piece gift for free with your first purchase, and that's just in the description box below. This counter is a hot spot for clutter, so I always make sure that I put away my tablet, any books I'm reading, and my purse, because I find if I leave it out, it just attracts more clutter. This cleaner works so well, and it really smells good too. Comment below and let me know if you find it easier to be productive when your house is put in some kind of working order. Here's the pile of stuff to go upstairs and the pile of clean clothes to go upstairs. After spending about 10 minutes tidying up the downstairs, I felt like I had accomplished so much. I was ready to start getting productive with the rest of my day. Even though today did not start out as a productive day, I have really turned it around by cleaning the downstairs. I feel once I get on a roll with things, I get more and more productive throughout the day. So even though our day kind of started off a little crazy, I've been able to pull it together. I just finished taking a shower, getting ready, and I've been able to work on one of my blog posts. And pretty soon it's going to be time to go get Emmett. But what I'm gonna do is get out all the painting supplies for that guest room, and I'm just gonna set it all up so I am forced to get some painting done on that room. And these are just some ways that I pretty much force myself to be productive. Also on the list today is to go grocery shopping because we have run out of food, and we had an incident with our potty training Calvin. So I've decided I'm gonna go get a different setup, and we're not gonna use a little potty, we're gonna use one of those seats. Anyways, if you're a mom, you know what I'm talking about. And I don't know if you guys know that I have a blog. I've added it to the description many times, but I've just been working on some blog posts, and I'm super excited because I'm now finally getting into a groove. And I don't know if you have any interest in ever learning about how to do a blog, but I took the blogging course from Lisa at Farmhouse on Boone, and that course is amazing. So if you have any interest in starting a blog or learning how to get started on making a website, her course makes it so easy to get started. And I mean, this isn't an ad or anything, I'm just trying to share this information because it really helped me out, and I'm getting so many views compared to what I used to get. And I've had a blog since 2008. It was just about my life, but now it's about decluttering. So if you ever want to check that out, I'll put it in the description below. Here's a post I just finished. It makes me a little more productive just to get some stuff done that I've been really trying to work on. Later tonight, Emmett has a spring fling at his little school, so eventually my hair will dry and then I can curl that and get ready for that. So right now I'm gonna go get those paint supplies out. Calvin actually fell asleep on the couch, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of painting right now while I can. I pulled everything out of the closet the other day and I moved it all to one side, so when our guest comes, which we have a guest coming in June, so I'm trying to get this room completely done. We're gonna leave it empty on the one side so they can hang stuff. And then I want this wall painted. I pulled out all the decor items right here. I'm gonna see what we might use out of this stuff, and if not, if we don't end up using it, I'll just donate all of it. This is what the closet looks like so far. on around the edges, and then I'm gonna roll the whole thing. This is as far as I got, but now it's time to go get Emmett from school, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping. So I need to go wake up Calvin. We're off to go get Emmett and do some shopping. We are at Target really quick. So I'm gonna head in right now and sticking to what I know I need, which is the potty and some food, and that's it. We just got back from grocery shopping, and I ended up doing just a little bit of shopping at Target because we needed to get that potty seat, and we just tried it out. It seems like it's gonna work. I did really well sticking to my list of groceries that we needed. I just bought the necessities and then got that potty seat that we needed. But then the only thing that I purchased that wasn't really on my list, but we still really needed, was some sunblock. They're gardening out there. But one thing I really needed to get was some non-chemical sunblock. We had run out at the end of last summer, and I was just using up what we had left through this year until now. And I don't know if this is the perfect stuff, but I found Sun Bum and Baby Ganix. So we will see how this stuff goes. I got the pump Baby Ganix and this stuff. Calvin's been holding it for me. Got some lip balm and this Sun Bum face stuff for me. And it says fragrance free, breakout free, dermatologist tested. It's supposed to not have all those chemicals that are bad for you. But I'm gonna look this stuff up before I actually open it and use it and make sure it's all good. And if it is, I'll leave a link below to what I ended up getting. Let's go have a nap. Let's go have a nap. No. It's now 1:30 and I feel we've been really productive today. So many things I needed to get done, I have. So I'm really happy about that. I'm really about halfway through the day. We had such a late start this morning. I didn't have time to tidy the boys' room, so I'm gonna do that really quick right now. So here's where I'm at so far with the painting. And I know that is a mess. I need to get a different roller. So I'm still gonna finish this whole room up. Obviously I'm gonna fix the rest of this paint, hopefully this weekend. Today's a Friday. And then my goal is to just probably use the decor we already have. I have an idea to go thrifting, so I might do a come thrift with me video. That might be fun, and see if I can find some stuff for the walls or just anything I might need for our guest that's coming. And I want to make this room really cute, guest room and office room. And I think it might be fun just to go thrifting and see what I can find. It's now 4:10 and the boys are downstairs relaxing on the couch. They are watching a show. I'm gonna fold this laundry and then I'm gonna start early dinner tonight because we are going to a little spring fling festival, and I want to have everything done and ready to go and eat before we get there because my kids are picky, and I know they have a food truck, but I don't want to deal with picky kids being hungry. Oh, and a few of you asked how often I do laundry. And comment below and let me know how often you do laundry, but I like to do at least one load every single day if we have dirty stuff. I just find if I can throw, and I usually throw everything together unless it's delicates or whites, and I find if I can do a whole load every day, I find we barely ever have any dirty laundry and nothing gets built up to where I have to do like a whole day of laundry. I think we'll have less loads when my youngest son is fully potty trained. I curled my hair and I'm putting on literally the only piece of country type looking clothes that I own. Either this shrunk or I grew. I know this is sad, but tonight I am making Calvin a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because he's been so picky lately that I just want him to be full at this event, and I hate when we get, they're currently fighting right now, but I hate when we get places and then he says he's hungry. So I'm gonna offer him what we're having, but I'm just gonna make him the sandwich. Tonight is not a typical night. I am having the kids eat right now because when Grant gets home, we're gonna be in a rush to get ready and go out of here. So they're gonna eat right now, and then I'm gonna start making our dinner so we can get everything thrown together. Make sure you click right here to see our decluttering for a year video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what a productive day looks like for you. This is what it looks like for me as a stay-at-home mom.